Hello guys, you're welcome back today. This is Naja Pride Crazy Tips, and as you all know, we bring up to date update to you guys. So what I do is I go out there and try new things. Once they work out for me, I bring it straight to you guys here. So and today I come up with a new update which I'm going to share with you guys right now. So and the update is about this airdrop that is dropping in the next 4 days. The time is already elapsing, so I'm going to open my Binance account right now so that you see what's going on. You really need to, you don't miss out. You really need to do something. You really need to do something. Like, this is one of the best so far, and this is the first airdrop for 2025. Okay, this is it here. See this launch pool bio. This is the stuff here, and the countdown. You can see the countdown. The time is already elapsing. It's remaining 4 days. You can see it here, remaining 4 days. So I'm going to show you how to claim this airdrop right now. Okay, and I'm going to drop the link at the video description. So what you need to do right now is to go straight to the video description and click on the link, then register immediately. Now follow this tutorial step by step so that you will achieve the same exact result which I achieved during the time I did my own. So what you need to do right now is to click at this add fund here, and then scroll down to this deposit crypto. Click on it, and the next thing you want to do right here is to search for bio, and click on it like this. It's going to open this particular place and show. Okay, you're going to choose network, which is Ethereum ERC20. Make sure that you choose this particular network, then click on it like this, and it's going to show you this. Then you're going to click this deposit address, copy it, then go to the link at this video description, click on that link, and I'm going to open it from here. Okay, this is the link right here. Once you tap on it like this, it's going to open. Then click on claim this airdrop right here. Click on it like this, and then as you can see, I've already claimed my own. So for your own side right now, and if you tap that claim airdrop, they're going to show you where you're going to paste that your address. If you check very well here, you're going to see my own wallet address here. Okay, so once you paste it there, then click on claim. It will be claimed automatically. So let's go. Don't miss out. See the reason why I say you guys should try and run this stuff. They are going to list this only in Binance, and see the listing price $1. So if you manage to claim up to 100 bio, that means you're going to earn $100 at the end of the day. Then you can as well refer others and make more money. All right, so try to do that right now. It is very, very urgent, and like after 4 days, I'm also going to do another video to show you guys. That was exactly what happened during the time of dog. I made a video and I posted it here. Many of you did not partake until the day they listed it. Some of you are at the comment section shouting, why him, why her? So try to do this, take this advantage right now, and may God bless you.